Welcome back. In this video, we're going to configure the emulator in Android Studio. An emulator is a virtual device that allows developers to test and run Android applications on their computer. It simulates the behavior of a physical Android device, enabling developers to preview and interact with their apps without needing a physical device. In order to configure it in Android Studio, we click on More Options, select Virtual Device Manager, and I'll click on Create a Device. This menu allows us to select a device from a variety of Android virtual devices. You can select here the category phone. If you want, you can make a tablet emulator, Wear OS, desktop, TV, automotive, and so on. But in this course, we're interested in phone. You can select from the wide range of these devices to create the Android emulator. For that, I'll show you how to configure, for example, Nexus 6P. Select it, next, and select the latest API. If it is not downloaded and not installed, please download it before. So you can click on it and download it. Okay, I'll select Trimasu, which is API 33, which is I downloaded. Select next, and here you can name the AVD whatever you want, AVD, Android Virtual Device, and click Finish. You can see that this device is ready now. To run it, you can click on this launch button. The Android emulator provides a platform for testing applications on various virtual Android devices, each with its own screen sizes, resolution, Android version, and hardware configuration. This is especially useful for developers who want to test their applications across different device specifications and API levels to ensure compatibility and responsiveness. And here we go. This is our emulator. You can see the settings or the options to the right. You can turn it off or on. The volume up, volume down. You can rotate left, rotate right. You can take a screenshot of the screen. These are the back, home, and overview buttons in Android. You can see that this is our clean Android virtual device.